One things, and be prepared. You will have a tough, because we have to be honest to one another. You will have a tough coming 4 years engineering degree and not having internships. It's really tough. It's challenging because you're applying with the people who have 4 years internships. So what is going to help you is having references. Get people who work in the field, like Ahmed said. So put their names in the resumes that you know this person, give you information. So if they get the phone call, they can say, okay, I know the brother, he's hard working, this is what, so the connections. The other thing is, don't just apply one job and just wait. It's nothing works that way. Keep trying. Do like 2-3 jobs every single day. Just get this computer, become familiar. Know that when you're scanning the job description, then you know specifically what they're looking for. Put that, change that in your resume. Put like every job you're applying, read the description, put that keywords in your resume. Don't just apply one resume that every single job. No, that's not gonna work. So just keep trying and don't give up. Because a lot of people are gonna try, apply a few times and they say, oh, they're never gonna call me. Inshallah, remember, one day you will receive that call. It doesn't matter how long it's going to take. So just to push it, second.